Assalamu alaikum. As we have discussed before about the basic structure of chromosome, now in this lecture we will discuss the specific parts of chromosome. We came to know before that telomere, the part which is present at the corner, and it gives the protection to the chromosome. Second, we have discussed about the centromere. Centromere is the part which is present at the binding stage or junction point. So both of these points we have discussed, and these are chromatids. Both of these sites are chromatids, and if these homologous chromosome that we called it sister chromatids, तब हम इसे sister chromatids का नाम देते हैं. Now here it have two specific sites. Number one is an active region and number two is inactive region. Inactive region, as we have discussed, these are the telomere region and centromere region. These are not the active region, it is inactive region, because reason is that very few numbers of genes are present here. These are unable to participate more in the gene expression, so these are inactive stage, or we can say this sites, और इस sites को हम एक और नाम देते हैं. It is known as the heterochromatin. Heterochromatin, both of these sites, centromere plus telomere, are collectively called as heterochromatin. These sites here we can indicate with the help of the different colors. जानने के लिए, इसको पहचानने के लिए इन्हें कलर से हमने इंडिकेट किया है. while the other portion which is indicated by the blue or darker regions, it is euchromatin. What is euchromatic? First identification or recognition is more genes are present, or gene expressive region is known as eurochromatic, or in another word, active site. DNA active sites, DNA that are open, their site which is open, readable and used for making RNA and protein synthesis. So this is known as the euchromatin and active site of DNA. अगर हम इसके features को discuss करें, it will be lightly packed as compared to the heterochromatin site. As compared to the heterochromatic site, it is lightly packed. Number second, genes are on expressive condition. Genes will not be silent. Silent नहीं होंगे जैसे हमने heterochromatin में देखे थे, जहाँ पे genes are more expressive, and transcription process will be done here during the protein synthesis. Protein synthesis के दौरान कि which type of traits can be displayed, यहाँ पे transcription का process होगा. So after that, these will be present in the inner side of the nucleus. Chromosome की ये portion जो होगा euchromatin, it always be in the inner side of the nucleus, and these are able to produce different types of RNA, messenger RNA, and different types of RNA can be produced here. And side by side, these are also euchromatin is also responsible to control different types of phenomena, for example, growth, metabolism, repair, and development. If in a cell, if any type of cell needs insulin, the insulin gene region becomes active and makes messenger RNA. So if such phenomena can be done, if such type of phenomena can be done, so this region is known as the euchromatic region. After that, we will discuss the heterochromatin, telomere region and centromere region. It is also known as the inactive stage. It is also known as the non-active sites of DNA. It will be tightly packed or tightly bound regions that are not used for making protein. These are not used to express the genes. So these are not here automatically we can judge no transcription process can be done. Densely packed gene expressions are usually often silent. Third one, we have discussed no transcription occurs, because more genes are located here and no transcription will be occurred, so it means no expression will be displayed. Found near the nuclear membrane. These portions always be found near the nuclear membrane and centromere. After that, it have again two types. Telomere and centromere are called the constitutive heterochromatin, and facultative heterochromatin. it can be active. Remaining portion which are near it, जो इसके करीब होगा, it is known as the facultative heterochromatin. It can become active when needed or according the portion which is around it, which is around the centromere and near the telomere. It is known as the facultative heterochromatin. It can be active, it can become active when needed. For example, in active X chromosome bar body conditions में it becomes active. इसके functions क्या हैं heterochromatin के? Structural support to the chromosome, protect DNA from the damage, and maintain chromosome stability. So 3 of these functions will be performed with the help of heterochromatin. Both of these parts of heterochromatin and euchromatin we have discussed side by side. We also discussed the types of heterochromatin, constitutive heterochromatin and facultative heterochromatin, and we also discussed their function. So I think you will be enjoyed.